My most recent project has been converting a lawnmower into an electric remote control lawn mower. I mostly used parts from an old mobility scooter. When I stripped it down, there wasn't much left, but there was still the seat. So I think you can tell where this is going. When I was welding up the frame, I added in a piece of pipe. And of course that pipe was to support the seat. Now, I'll say right now, this is probably a really terrible idea. But of course I had to try it. A terrible idea. So of course I needed to know if I could actually mow with it. And sure enough, it actually mowed pretty well. Now, the big thing really was just getting the hang of it. The controls are very touchy, and I didn't have any arms on the chair, nor was there a steering wheel to hang on to. So all my balance and not falling off of this thing was just between my butt and my 2 feet balanced on the frame. It did not go up hills especially well. I have a very steep hill in my yard going out to the road, and that's been an issue with my riding lawnmower or anything else I've ever used there. Was this fun? Yes. Was it stupid and dangerous? Also yes. If you like these projects, please make sure to check out the playlist on the Remote Control Riding Lawnmower. And until next time, stay charged up